Hey everybody, welcome to episode, what the fuck is this, 13?
13.
Episode 13.
Unlucky 13.
Hot Diggity Dogs.
So, what that means is I'm doing fuck all today, but getting drunk and stoned.
Nice.
This is gonna
Dogs
be the
take
best.
like 2 seconds.
It's gonna be well.
Although I started my chili before, and I got hot, so I had to change my shirt.
Chili, grilled peppers.
I haven't had the grilled peppers yet, but cheers. We forgot cheers last time. Cheers. Cheers. Welcome, and let's get going on.
Oh wait, I just want to make a special shout out. I want to wish everyone a happy Croptober.
Is it Crop? Is that a name
It's Croptober. I was tending to my crops.
Nice.
Got an injury today.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's why it's late. 4 hours late.
I fucking sliced my finger on my fucking trimming machine, cleaning it right down like that. Probably needs stitches, but good thing it's hot dogs. They'll blend in with the ketchup.
I'll just stick his finger on the barbecue and we'll sear it. No stitches needed. Yeah. I got that. Okay, let's get going. I'm gonna do an onion. I'm gonna onion and peppers. Get that going. Get my chili going. The barbecue's on, and that's it. Away we go.
Away we go. I got a special treat too. Mine is so because today I'm getting fucked up.
All right, get fucked up.
So my
yeah, that's right. You didn't drive here, so
no, I didn't even drive. I got fucked up. So mine is gonna be munchy stoner hot dog.
Okay. All right.
Mine's gonna be good. It's gonna be fucking poutine on a fucking hot dog.
All right. Okay.
With some, I pre-early some stuff too.
Okay.
I did some pepper stuff. So.
All right. I didn't pre-early anything. I got to get mine going. So, let's go.
Let's rock. That's a big wiener, eh? Richard, look at the size of my wieners.
Brian, can you dump that for me? Because you're not doing anything else. I won't let Ryan touch the knife because he's already cut himself once, and I don't want to be responsible for that.
I wonder if I can claim WSIB. Look at that thing. Fuck, I could have. You can tell I went to med school, eh?
Okay,
hey,
let's.
Richard, you gotta explain to people what you're doing. Right now, Richard is heating up butter.
I'm not heating up butter. Now I'm doing my onions.
Now see how he massages them?
Well, I like to split them open, right? You gotta split it all open. And we add a nice amount of salt.
Nice.
So we're gonna do our grilled peppers. Now, I like everything from scratch. Rye doesn't like everything from scratch. This is Rye's gravy for today.
One, we're making fucking hot dogs, so I'm not gonna spend more time making a sauce for a fucking wiener, okay?
I made chili from scratch.
That's good for you. Two, Richard used jams, fucking canned tomatoes. What was chili made of? What tomatoes? Did you fucking hand pick them?
Why'd you get St. Hubert instead of...
Because this one's actually really good.
No? You don't like the other one?
They had selection, this one, and...
Let's just make your own gravy.
No. You getting a good close-up? Get it, get it. Closer, closer. Oh, camera down. Flip-flop down. Fucking didn't dent it. A little bit of dirt. Don't fuck try it again. Do I look like the guy from Batman?
Hey, 6 feet.
I got a mask on.
So that's 10 feet.
See? Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Don't worry, I don't have COVID. So everyone's seen my mask. Look at this fucking edition. Oh, look at that! Fucking pink, styling, and fucking profiling right there. I'm making.
How is this special?
Because I'm making stoner hot dogs, and you need those. What? Are we gonna buy a cow and start having to make our own fucking cheese curds now too?
Where's my?
I don't know. Maybe someone threw it over the fucking balcony. The cow. We gotta start churning that fucking milk. We're making cheese curds now too, I guess.
Okay, we want to get a nice char on this, like that. So if you char the whole thing up, the skin will come off a little bit easier. So this is not ready yet. Needs a little bit longer.
Are you fucking recording? Is this thing on? Hello? Cheers.
Cheers.
And I also hear there's a bounty on my head.
Is there?
That's what I hear.
From what?
I don't know, but I'm a bad, bad man. Oh, guess what, guys? I don't know if you can hear the background noise, but our camera person, drink person, is fucked up today. See, she's done probably about 400 pounds of fucking edibles today. And now, she's so fucked up, listen to her giggle in the background. See, watch. Watch. We'll make her laugh. Okay, everyone be quiet. Quiet. Wait. We're doing a competition here. See? We're trying to make the camera girl laugh on camera because she's fucked up. So wait, watch. Everyone be quiet. Hi.
Hello.
Not making you laugh?
Okay, so we are charred. So what we do then, we just throw them in here.
You don't want to throw one over so it bounces off the ground and all the crispiness comes off?
Nope, and then we're gonna throw some plastic wrap on there.
Sweat them.
Sweat them off.
See? Fucking no.
Okay, I'll go do that, and Rye, you do nothing.
It's good.
Because you have
Hot dogs.
canned gravy.
Yep. So, as you can see, our fucking hot dogs here. I prefer myself like to use a lip and asshole mixture with 30% hooves. So then we stick that in a casing, and you know we made these in the basement. So
Look, Rye, look. I made your hot dog.
I know, but the can's a little hard. It's all fun and fucking games.
Till someone uses a can of gravy.
Until I win.
Got my mushrooms, and look at those onions with little jalapenos in there, nice little pop.
Are those magic mushrooms? Are those the mushrooms I see growing in your grass?
Yeah, I took this off the grass. Look at
What
it.
about the ones growing in the willow tree? Those
I'll
ones
leave
look like
those.
those would fuck you up.
I'll leave those. You can try them. I am going to do my peppers, right?
Oh, you're doing a fucking bang up job.
I know. You're right.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
They're a little hot, right?
Yeah, they look hot. That's why I'm not touching them.
They are hot.
She's like, whoa, whoa. She's holding the camera and then she's staring at the wall. What am I doing again? Oh yeah, I'm filming a fucking cooking show. Doing a bang up fucking job, Richard.
Of course.
Bud, this is my poison skunk vintage. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. I am making something from scratch. I'm making a salad. It's a fucking weed and hash salad. Our camera person is fucking over here. Here we go with the fucking sign language again.
Look at that, Ryan. Look at that.
It looks good. You know, that's pretty good. It's a little much for fucking wiener. Smells good. I smelled it when I was coming up the driveway. See? I fucking mixed the hash up. I want to make room for a filter. Yes, I'm old school. I use filters. Why? Because I like it that way and I don't like fucking getting shit in my teeth and stuff.
Now your girlfriend makes it pregnant, right?
Right. I don't make it pregnant because I know how to roll joints. It's fucked with this finger though. Okay, so I just want to lubricate it a bit. It's like playing with the little magic button.
You lick your fingers a lot when you're rolling a joint.
Yeah, because it's all about getting it tight. See? Just get the quick underlay there. Flip her around.
A little lick.
A little lick. Close up shop.
A little squeeze in there.
Get that little buttoned in. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that joint is. I haven't even fucking put a filter in this. W. Slide that bitch right in the hole. Look at. Nice solid joint, little one paper. It's gonna burn forever because it's got the hash in there. In about 2 seconds, I'm gonna be blazing this thing. So it's probably the fucking camera girl. And then the rest of the video or show is gonna be shit and blurry.
Chili's looking good. Tomatoes are perfectly melded in there. Smells good, and we're ready.
All I know is I've got some scrumptious fucking cheese. You want a cheese curd, Richard? These are fucking good too. Okay.
Got it.
Got it. Let's see if they're fresh. They should squeak. Oh. Okay, come on. I need some for my food.
Well, I just took one.
I should have brought my gun today.
Alright, let's try this. Might be a little hot.
It's not hot. Oh, it's good.
Smoky.
I wouldn't say
Ole.
it's got good heat. It's got good salt. That's what I like.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say smoky.
It's got a smoke different than Chipotle.
A bit of a smoke, yeah.
Yeah.
But not, I was expecting like smoke.
No, it's got a little smoke behind it, and you can really tell those African chilies.
How's this any different than smoking a bomb? When the fuck did you become the YouTube police? Okay? Yes, for some reason, I can't smoke cigarettes. But Richard can smoke cigars. Because that's not a problem. That's like saying I smoke bongs and you tell me I can't smoke a camera person?
Okay, right. See these leaves? They're supposed to be edible.
These?
Yeah, try it.
Voila.
I don't know. They're not that edible. What? Okay, right, let's get these doggies on.
Hot diggity dog.
Hot Diggity Dogs.
See how he see how he does the placement there? It's crucial. I thought you weren't cooking them all. You're fucked. You're fucked.
What? There's enough for a couple each.
Okay, they're also fucking 2 feet long.
Okay.
If I didn't say anything, you would have put them all on.
No, I wouldn't.
You would have.
I wouldn't. I wasn't.
You're fucked. You're fucked. You would have.
No one knows how to cook hot dogs.
It's a nice wiener you got there.
It's a slap.
Reg.
Fucking hot.
Buns look crumbly.
We're ready?
We're
Let's
good.
plate our dog.
You're getting very fucking aggressive now, right?
I'm on my side. Fuck.
Okay. What was I doing? Oh yeah.
No, you're good.
I'm still sewing your onion.
Alright.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. Stir up that Seriously, do I get a plate?
You have a plate.
Where?
The one that I took the hot dogs off.
Oh, I get the leftover plate. That's fucking awesome. Oh yeah, you have a plate. Here's that fucking dirty plate. Okay, so I'm loading up mine with some cheese curds. Oh yeah. This is the store. Where's my chips? You got chips for me?
I put them out for you. They're in a bowl and somewhere. Yes.
Those are corn chips. Doesn't matter. I wanted potato chips, but I forgot. Yes. Got my cheese, got my onions, both.
Okay.
Oh, this is good. You got like a ladle? Let's make our own fucking gravy. Why would we do something stupid like that? Oh, baby, this is gonna be good.
There's been way too long between cooking and eating. Okay, Brian, here is my chili dog.
Okay, do you want half of mine?
Okay, hold on.
Give me
We'll do this in a sec.
Okay.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's sloppy.
It's good chili though. That'd be like a good sloppy Joe.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Got the hiccups there?
Okay.
Okay. Now the stoner poutine jalapeno. You took all the curds off. Oh shit. These buns are shit. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. Mmm. Nothing fuck, bro.
That's good.
Mmm. Ah. Camera person, you're gonna love this because you are so fried right now. Let me clean up. Those are fucking good.
No clean up.
Okay.
End it.
Got. Wait,
Okay.
but I can't hold my drink. God damn it, my hands are on.
Hot Diggity Dog.
How diggity motherfucking dog.
Success.
That was good.
Cheers, Ryan.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Episode 13. Cooking Rick and Rye. Hot Diggity Dog. See you next week. We don't know what the fuck we're doing next week, do we? Alright, we'll surprise
We're
you.
too fucked up to think about
We're
it.
fucked up. Cheers.
Mm.
Fuck.
Look, I want to get gravy on the back of my hand. I got gravy on the back of my hand. Cheers.
Cheers.
Everyone, peace out.